everything became simpler after all the paperwork was done. It took a bit of time to get things done and to the attorneys so that they could deal with the creditors. But once that was done, and we could say in answer to the phone calls from the collectors, please just contact our attorneys, this is the phone number. And we had to stand pretty steadfast for a period of time because immediately they wanted to know, oh, you filed bankruptcy. No, it's not bankruptcy, but contact the attorneys and they'll explain it to you. It's a program called HELPS. And after that, 4 or 5 times, there was such a relief. Didn't have to deal with these people anymore. Didn't have to go through the, well, what are you going to do and when are you going to do it and all of this. The program has literally saved us. I think the most important factor was the legal issues that came out after talking to the HELPS staff. What we could legally stand on and not be pressured anymore. And the seniors out there, as we were, have no idea of what help is available for them. And if they would just call, you know, if they're in a money situation that is getting them in a corner, if they would just call the attorneys and ask for the information, tell me what HELPS can do for me, they'll be so amazed at what relief it can be for them. I would recommend it to anybody and everybody, seniors that is. The law that governs this program is strictly for seniors such as us who have no assets and only our Social Security and our pension as income. Those are the people that the HELPS program is essentially made for, and they need to get that information if they're in the same situation we were. The staff at HELPS has been delightful. They have been cooperative and helpful and very patient in explaining the process to us. We've had several times to call to clarify some information, and they've taken care of it immediately. We don't hear anything. They take care of the work, and we can just put our minds at rest. They've just been remarkable. Great staff at HELPS. They know the laws, and they tell the creditors these are the laws that apply. They send the creditors a letter. Each of our creditors got a letter saying this is the program we're going into and this is why, and they cannot contact us any longer directly. They can only contact through the HELPS office. The law says that the creditor cannot call, write, or in any way contact us directly once they have been notified that we are represented by the HELPS program. They know the law, and they've respected it because we only had one person called after getting notice, and when I reminded them that they received their notice and if they wanted to discuss it further, they should call the HELPS office. And we didn't hear any more. Well, I'm probably an easier to get along with wife since HELP has taken over the worry. We're not chewing nails and trying to figure out where we can put that $5 and the other $5. The program is just beyond belief until you experience it, and the peace of mind and the freedom to just live your life and not have to worry about that. It's unfortunate that young people and seniors too get into these predicaments, but we are very grateful for the law being on the books that helps to function in, like I say, it's probably given me another 10 years on my life. I don't have to worry.
Super. All right. Well, I want to